Now into some of the news and notes for you around our area. An Idaho law passed this year banning gender-affirming care for minors will not go into effect on January 1st as originally planned. Just yesterday, a federal judge granted a preliminary injunction on the lawsuit against the ban. And News Channel 7's Jude Binkley joins us now with reaction from the lawsuit and what both sides are saying. Jude?
Well, Joe, this law was signed in April and was scheduled to take effect in 5 days on the first of the year. But now there will be a hold on that ban while the legal process plays out in the federal courts. House Bill 71, the Vulnerable Child Protective Act, was signed into Idaho law back in April. It outlaws gender-affirming care for transgender minors, including puberty blockers, hormones, and surgeries. The final bill signed into law finds any doctor providing gender transition care guilty of a felony and up to 10 years in prison. After the law was signed, a lawsuit was filed against the state on behalf of the families of 2 transgender Idahoans. That lawsuit and those who filed it, including the ACLU of Idaho, argues House Bill 71 violates the 14th Amendment, which guarantees equal protections to all Americans.
So this case ultimately is about the 14th Amendment, right? It is an equal protection case, and it is about making sure that trans youth have equal rights in the state, but it is also about making sure that the state, it doesn't intrude on those constitutionally protected rights of trans youth.
This law was scheduled to go into effect on the first of the year, but the preliminary injunction granted Tuesday stops the law from going into effect until the lawsuit is settled, something the ACLU of Idaho is calling a win for Idaho families who are caught in a difficult situation.
For us, it's very important, and we will continue to work with the community, with impacted individuals, to make sure that their rights are protected. And we will continue to fight vigorously to defend the rights of transgendered youth in this state as the state continues to bring on attacks on their existence.
Idaho's Attorney General Raul Labrador gave his reaction to the ruling in a statement saying, "The federal judiciary once endorsed the eugenics movement and forced sterilization of intellectually disabled people. Similarly, Judge Windmill's ruling places children at risk of irreversible harm. History will not look kindly at this decision. We are taking immediate action to appeal this decision and are confident that correction will come. I will never stop fighting for and protecting our most vulnerable children." So as you heard, we're expecting an appeal on this ruling from the AG's office, something we'll continue to follow in the coming weeks and months. Joe, as well as this lawsuit and its ultimate outcome.
Yeah, definitely certain we're going to follow this heading into the new year. A lot of important decisions to be made there. Jude Binkley reporting. Thank you so much.